Hello, guys. How are you? How was your weekend? How was your trading on Monday? Was it good? Was it bad? Let me know in the comments. So in this video, what we're going to be looking at are some currency pairs, obviously. Our favorite index, USD, the US dollar index. Starting with it right here, you can see prices broke out of this ending diagonal pattern, created an inside head and shoulders pattern, broke below it, prices opened with a gap. I actually shared this before the market opened in my free Telegram group. If you're not in it, the link is in the description below. I shared this, and then prices opened with a gap, and prices have, kept on pushing lower, and today prices opened with some sort of consolidations. But hey, the New York isn't open yet, so we'll see how that goes. Currently, I'm expecting to see prices keep on falling lower, obviously, but I think they might come back and fill this gap right here. That's what I expect to see, because you can see like the bears have lost their momentum. So I'll be expecting to see maybe the bulls come back until here on this market structure here on the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern before prices, keep on pushing lower, because, they just hit this. They just hit this right here. They just hit this market structure here. So I'll be expecting maybe to see prices come back here before we actually see a fall all the way until down here, because you can see on the left-hand side, we have a clear traffic, no resistance down here, no resistance down. No. It's a clear traffic. So that's what I'm anticipating to see on this US dollar index. So we're going to be looking at other currency pairs and commodities like gold. If that sounds interesting, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe in case you're new, so that you won't miss out on future content like this. So let's move on to the next currency pair. We have USDJPY. Okay, I think I shared this last week, and today you can see prices are still falling. We are in this trade. We are in this trade, obviously. Now prices are floating at around 150 pips. 150 pips, and we're still holding. So we took this trade while prices were here. We went break even. You know how we managed it. We went break even. That is how we managed it. And then once prices came back on this market structure here, we were expecting to see if prices do break above here, then we'll be stopped out at break even. But then this market structure held, and now prices are falling back below. So I expect to see prices keep on falling down, because, the candlestick language speaks like the bears are in control. That's the candlestick language we're speaking of. Okay, that is USDJPY. EURUSD. Okay, so EURUSD, you can see here the market structure and the candlesticks just broke above this trend line. I'm bullish biased, but I can't take the trade right now because I'll be chasing it. I'll be waiting for prices to, retest here before I take my trades to push all the way until there. It's a 1:13 trade. So it's an incredible, beautiful trade. I'll be expecting to see how it plays out. I'll be expecting a midweek reversal in this point here. So let's see how it plays out. We'll be reading the candlesticks for a swing trade. Obviously, here we'll be looking for a swing trade, not a day trade, because here it's a lot of pips from around 62.49 to around 11,500. That's over 400 pips. So that is a definite swing trade, but you can take day trades until the next market structure here at around the first target. The first target will be around here. Not red. Let's change the color. This will be our first target, which will be around 300 pips. So that can be a day trade for, if you're looking at it, So if you're looking for maybe trading a challenge, an FTMO challenge, my Forex fund challenge, this can actually complete your whole phase 1 or phase 2, whatever, just by one trade. Imagine that, completing a challenge with one trade. Insane. GBPUSD, I'm bullish bias too. These pairs positively correlate to the EURUSD. So I'm bullish biased. Now prices are in this trend line, and they're on this market structure, but I'm not going to take a trade. Why? Because the candlestick actually tell me it's bearish. The bears are still in control. Now, it will be crazy for me to take a trade here because the bears are still in control. I'm waiting for a bullish confirmation candlestick before I actually take my trade. That's how I trade, after a confirmation. I know a lot of people will say, hey, it's already on the support, buy now. But it's insane to trade like that. It's like you see a bus is going left and you expect maybe it will turn around and start going right at a certain point, and then you just jump on it, believing that it will turn around and start going right because that's what you believe. That's insane. Just wait at the bus stop. In case the bus comes to the bus stop and then it turns around and it shows like, hey, now we're going right. Then you get on the bus so that it can take you right. But you don't jump on a bus while it's going left with the anticipation, believing it will start to turn from left to go to right. That's crazy trading, guys. So GBPUSD, hey, I'm bullish bias, but none of the pairs are bearish. The candlestick is bearish, so I'm not going to be taking the trade. Gold, my all-time favorite commodity. Prices have been consolidating for a while though. Last week I showed you guys prices will move from here to this market structure until here. Prices did move to our first targets. Unfortunately, we didn't get a trade. I didn't get a trade. I hope you guys caught one though. This would have been a perfect entry at around 8 here. I missed it. That's the reality. I think, I don't even know why I didn't take this trade right here though. I'm not really sure what I was doing. Maybe I was trading another pair, you know. While I focus on the trades, I always focus on one pair. If I see the most likely opportunity of one trade playing out, I focus on only that and maximize its outcome. So I'm not sure which pair I was looking at this day, but hey, I hope you guys caught it. So this was the first trade. It moved around, gold moved around 4,000 pips. So it was a nice trade. I hope you guys caught it. Lovely trade. So now I'm expecting to see prices keep on pushing high until they reach our second target at around up here. So we'll see how it plays out. That is gold. GJ. Okay, prices broke out of this ending diagonal pattern. And right now, still bullish biased, obviously. But let's see how it will play out. Let's see how it will respect this trend line. If it will respect it or if it will break it, then hey, if prices break below this low, then I'll change my bias from being bullish to bearish. But currently I'm still bullish biased, although I don't have any confirmation. So let's switch to, let's look at volatility 75 and see how it's acting out. Let's see how volatility 75 is playing out. Okay, volatility 75, this index is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Yesterday, prices closed with a bearish engulfing candlestick, right? So this is the same strategy that I use on the currency pairs, guys, and it's always working. I know some people will say, why don't you use another strategy? No, it's price action. Price action works with anything that has candles. So yesterday, prices reached on, not yesterday, but prices reached on this support area, and then they bounced off, but then they found a resistance here, and then they engulfed yesterday's candle engulfed, you know, the day before yesterday's candle. And while I'm still anticipating a bearish move, so I'm expecting to see maybe prices come back and break below this low so that we can actually, you know, keep on going lower. That's my general anticipation on this pair, right? For prices to actually, excuse me, for prices to actually reach here before you actually look for bullish opportunities. But in case it doesn't, if prices do break above this resistance area that prices are on right now, then obviously we'll be looking for bulls, for buying opportunities to take the trade all the way until here, because this is a clean traffic. Right here, we have a solid clean traffic until here. So, but currently I'm bearish biased. So let's see how it plays out on the lower time frames. If this video is helpful so far, please don't forget to like. Give us that like button, smash that like button. Please help us boost our algorithm. Thank you. Thank you for smashing those like buttons. Woo, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now for me to take a short trade here, I'll be waiting for prices to break below here. But currently you can see it as prices just broke below this low. So then we'll be expecting to see how it plays out here. But generally, if prices do break below here, it's a clean swift to until here. And if prices do break above here, then it's a clean swift. It's a clean sweep to around here. So hopefully, guys, this breakdown has been of help to you. Please share with a few friends that you believe this video will be of help to them. And if you're not subscribed yet, you don't want to miss out on future content. So smash that like, subscribe button. Till next time, guys, this was your coach speaking black. Peace and love. Have a great trading week.